So when a lot of people come to me, they're like, hey, what is the reality time frame on closing a self-storage deal? So I'm going to spell it out. And so in our self-storage school, we have people go through the 6-week boot camp, which walks you through like how to find deals, how to fund it, and then how to put offers in. And so you really have to think about learning for first 8 weeks. It's understanding like what is a good deal so that you can say yes, no, or a number. And so the timeline that most people go through is once they find a deal, it's okay, I've got 45 days for due diligence before your money goes hard. 30 to 45 days, whatever you feel comfortable with. And then you've got another 30 days to close. And that helps with banks, helps with raising money, and that closes in 30 days. So that's really, if you think about it, 60 to about 85 days that you're putting on a timeline to close a storage deal. And then once you close, now it's operations time. And so in the reality, it can take you 4 months to 11 months to close your first property. But the people that do very, very well are the ones that don't need to know A through Z right away. You should never have to know everything until you go out there and do it. Then that is the skill set that prepares you. And so one of our storage school students who's a firefighter, he bought 2 facilities within 4 months. And what he did well was he didn't wait. He just said, okay, I got on the phone, started calling owners along the road that he would travel on to go to his fire station. And he said within his first 6 calls, he got an owner to say, hey, yeah, I'll like an offer. And so he came to our deal review day and said, Bree, what do I do now? And that's what we want people to do is we want people to come to our deal review days every week. We want to come to our live workshops and say, hey, what's the next step, right? And so we said, go meet him, shake his hand, take him to lunch. And so that's how he bought his first facility within 4 months is he didn't need to know everything. He just needed to know that first step and then come back and get that next step. So the whole lesson here is it's about urgency. It's about taking action and it's not, you don't have to have it all figured out. You have to be the smartest person in the room. And now this awesome firefighter family man is going to become like a multimillionaire because he's going to add more facilities around that one city. And so this is how you buy your first facility and then your second facility and third facility even 10 times faster. So if you are interested in getting into the self-storage school, it is open right now for enrollment. And so if you're interested, send me the word school. I'll send you an application. We'll jump on a call and we'll see if it's a good fit.